Attorney Fred Smith, QC, who represents the Grand Bahama Human Rights Association, says proposed constitutional amendments, which will go to a referendum June 7th, have nothing to do with same-sex marriage, and the Grand Bahama Human Rights Association supports the Yes Vote campaign. He says the bills have everything to do with ending discrimination against Bahamian women, and in some cases men, solely on the basis of their gender. He adds there's nothing hidden or even controversial in what the government is trying to do. The intention is simply to amend another section of the Constitution so as to bring it in line with the protections outlined in Article 15. Well, former president of the Bahamas Bar Association, Wayne Munroe, QC, says the intent of the amendments, especially number 4, may have been to bring equality among the sexes, but they do not remove some of the automatic limitations set out in the Constitution.
And so regardless of what they intended, you look at what the law is, what it will be when you insert sex, and you will look and see what limitations there are. In other words, which acts that discriminate based on sex are protected. And the question is, do you want to keep them? If you want the law to automatically say, as it can say now, that people have to be unfettered in their equalness with regard to sex, then you don't insert sex in 26, because when you do, you get the limitations that come with 26. And the limitation is government can make law to say in matters of marriage, we're going to discriminate based on sex. Government can make law to say in the aspects that are set out in Article 26.4, we are going to discriminate based on sex if that is thought to be in the social interest.